guys? Welcome to the channel. We're here with Jarod the Apprentice electrician. And today we are talking a little bit about the new American-made Southwire products, specifically linesman, diagonal cutters, and strippers, and the voltage detector that we gave to Jarod about how long ago?
Probably a month and a half, 2 months ago.
Okay, so 2 months ago. So I mean, and you work every day, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So out of all these tools right here, I'm going to tell you, this looks like the most used, but is it the most used?
Yes.
Okay. Why is it so beat up, man? What's happening with your tools here?
Because I beat them.
Really?
I
mean, is that
them, yeah.
why? I mean, is that what tools are for, to be beat?
I guess. I mean, you just kind of use what you have to get the job done.
So what do you use this one for?
Cutting, hammering.
Hammering?
Oh, yeah.
So
I don't carry a hammer on me.
Really?
I have one in my bag, but not my pouch.
Wow. So like this is better weight? Just psh, psh.
Yeah. I mean, it's...
Weight-wise on your belt or whatever.
Yeah. I mean, it just... You don't really... I mean, we don't hammer nails or anything. It's usually just like beam clamps, or if we need to adjust a box just a tiny bit if it's out of level, just tap on it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. But I mean, like a beam clamp, you really gotta smack it.
And there's drywall all over it?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, you smashing through drywall with it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, if I need to fish something over a finished drywall from, like a switch or something, like just recently I had to add in an exit sign above a switch. So we had to feed the hot from the switch up to the exit.
Right.
But we had to fish a piece of flex through from the switch box up to the exit. So I just stab a hole in the wall and ream it out, and it makes a perfect circle. It fits the flux right through.
Wow, pretty sweet, dude. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's pretty good. What else do you like about these things?
The sound.
What do you mean the sound?
Like seriously,
but
I don't know. It's just got a nice sound to it. Like you were telling me earlier, you don't golf,
right?
But if you're looking for a new pair of clubs, you want it to fit you, right?
Right.
So with golf, you want to swing it. It's got to feel good and sound good.
Right. All right. They give you guys.
Sounds good.
They give you guys drug tests, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just check it.
What?
I don't know, man. Sounds. I can understand. But no, I know what you're saying. I guess if some people are like that.
Yeah.
So, I mean, with power tools, drills, some drills sound better than others. You're just like, wow, that sounds like precise, and the other one's like, da 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 da,
Yeah.
But I know what you're saying. I mean, it feels solid when it clanks together, right?
Yeah.
So, have other people seen them? Have you showed them to other people? Any comments or?
Yeah, kind of. I mean, everyone else has their own tools, really.
Do you see a lot of Southwire on a job site?
Not really. There was one time there was a group of low voltage guys. They had some Southwire stuff on them.
Wow, did you talk to them at all? Or?
Yeah, I just asked them what they thought about them.
What they think?
They're pretty nice.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
But I mean, they told me, they're like, but we're kind of the type that will kind of just buy new tools all the time.
Right.
So
just
they just
latest and greatest.
Yeah.
So real cool, man. We almost had like a good thing going, and then you had to devalidate it.
I'm just being honest.
No, hey, dude, and that's what we want, you guys. Honesty. And as long as you're liking this stuff, and you guys, again, this is sponsored by Southwire. This whole journey with Jarod and us is sponsored by Southwire. So, but we are going to be completely honest with you and tell you the stuff that we don't like. Not his whole tool bag is filled with Southwire yet. We'll work on that. We're gonna get it bigger and make it. Right. But Southwire doesn't make power tools and stuff like that. So there's other brands you could go to. Mm-hmm. We'll do another thing on that too. Sure. Your side cutters. These don't look used much.
I use them every now and then.
For what?
Mostly for like zip ties, just cutting the tails off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not pulling nails, or I guess you don't pull nails if you're an electrician.
No. I guess not. I don't think I have yet.
Right.
I mean, most of the stuff that we work with are metal studs, not wood studs. But if you get into more residential, it's more wood studs.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. I always see them putting up these metal studs, and that just looks so much weaker to me. Even when I finish my basement with metal studs, you can easily twist them, and I'm like, oh my god, I just think wood studs way better. Maybe not for wet I don't know. What do I know?
No, maybe it's not. I was almost gonna say I think metal studs might be cheaper.
Really?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't know.
It makes no sense.
I'm not
Then you
sure.
Get cut, 10
I'm not a
snaps,
carpenter.
right? Last but not least, you guys, the wire strippers. And you actually asked me to get one of your friends wanted a pair of these, right?
Yeah.
What do you obviously you like them?
Yeah.
What do you like about them?
Just the feel of them. They're sharp and they've stayed sharp. I've stripped and cut a lot of wire with that.
Really?
Oh yeah. And actually the 632 and the 832 screw cutters,
Right.
those are awesome. And other strippers that I've had that have those, when you back the screw out to rethread it, you actually had to grab a screwdriver and back them out all the way. But these, it's like such a clean cut that it just, you can finger twist it.
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah,
So that's saving you time right there.
It's awesome, yeah. I don't know, I just like them. They feel good. They go small too. I've been trimming some fire alarm cable, which is some
That low
small,
voltage,
some small
yeah.
stuff. And I mean, these go all the way down to it, so
Cool.
yeah.
Good stuff, you guys. So far, your experience with Southwire pretty good. You're feeling like
Yeah.
they're quality tools. You're happy.
Very positive.
Cool. Good stuff.
You can talk about the voltmeter or no?
Oh yeah, the voltmeter. What do you think of the volt? Man, this thing looks beat up.
Yeah.
How long you had that thing? I think I gave this to you when I first saw you.
That's like day one.
That was like
yeah.
a gift to you. I'm like, what? You're an
Yeah.
electrician. You came over here with Russ.
He was showing off. Here, have this.
Yeah, right. No, I wasn't, dude. But yeah, but that was a cool. What do you like about that thing?
Oh, it's got a flashlight on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. The ones that I've had in the past don't have that.
Yeah.
It's
Low voltage.
It's got low voltage, which I like. That's low voltage. And it makes a different sound too.
Really?
It's like a slower beep.
Oh, wow.
And lower pitched. And then this is higher voltage. It goes up to 600 volts.
Wow.
Which is, you know.
So anything over 600 volts, it doesn't detect.
I don't
Or
know.
how does that work?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I really don't know.
But you don't work much with 600 volt. Yeah, I mean, that's an insane amount of power.
That's, yeah. I don't know, because it wouldn't make sense.
Yeah, I mean, I
what,
like
just
these.
all of a sudden it can't detect 601
Yeah.
volts.
Well, maybe it's like
You
a
know?
certain frequency. I don't know. I don't know
Could
much
be, I
about
don't know.
electricians. It sounds like you don't either.
Yeah.
So,
I'm only a second year.
yeah, second year apprentice, right? I mean,
Yeah.
do you know a lot now, or is there just tons to learn still?
Oh, there's always.
You learn every day, really?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Always.
What's one of the
willing to
most
learn.
important things you ever learned on the job right now? Just
Check voltage before
Really?
you touch anything.
wow.
Oh, yeah.
I
Oh,
noticed
yeah.
that before I was looking at your pliers here because they didn't have any like big chunks missing. Because you can tell when they had a, you know.
Well,
I was like, yeah, he's done pretty good.
It was like the very first job I was on when I first started. My foreman told me to go tie in like the light fixtures and everything. I was like, okay. And he's like, the whole side is dead. I was like, okay. And I didn't check the voltage or anything, and I got zapped.
Oh, dude, did it hurt?
A little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that sucks.
Yeah, it's 277.
So what? Wow. So like Paul, the electrician, tells me the exact same thing. He's like, never trust anybody,
Yep.
man. You always got to check for yourself.
Ever since then, I've always had this on me because I didn't have it on me, so I
Right.
didn't think anything of it. But ever since, I've always had one on me.
Man, craziness.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, tools in action. Check it out. Hashtag TA Crew. You wherever you go. As always, comment below. Let us know what you guys think about the Southwire lineup, made in America. What's your favorite tool lineup? And if you have any questions for Jared, go ahead and ask him. He says you can roast him. He's all good for that. Tools in action. See you later.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.
What do they require you? How many years they require you to put in before you can retire?
I think so. To retire with full benefits, 100%, I think is like 64,
Oh, okay.
and then it's either 62 or 64, and then each year earlier, it's a 6% cut.
Decrease. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so like I could retire at like 55, but I mean that's 54%.
But
And
the
that's-
nice thing is, man, you're starting young. Some people don't get until 25 or 30 years old.
Oh yeah.
And they
Well,
got-
my two classmates, they're 30 and 31.
I mean, that's
so-
awesome.
I got in when I was 19.